Hi guys, welcome to back to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and let's grow together. 16 minus 1 times 6 minus 1. This minus this will give us what? 5 times this minus this will give us 15. 15 times 5 will give us 75. But this answer is not correct. According to order of operation, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and X stands for subtraction. So we are going to follow our order of operation to solve this problem correctly. So our correct answer is going to look like this. 15, 6 minus 1, sorry, will give us what? 5. Remember there's an invisible multiplication here. When a number is close to a parenthesis, it means you have to multiply. So we put our times here. 1 is 16. In our order of operation, multiplication comes before subtraction, so we have to multiply first. Minus 1 times 5 will give us what? Minus 5. Put your 16 here. 16 minus 5 will give us 11. Our final answer is what? 11.